A few years ago, one of our engineers here at Pipeline designed this cycle tester as part of an R&D project. Originally, it was controlled by an Arduino board, but somewhere along the way, we misplaced the controls. Instead of rebuilding the setup in Arduino, we decided to retrofit the tester with Easy Motion. It only took a few minutes to route the tubing from the Easy Pneumatics control box to the fixture. Next, I launched the Easy Programmer and started creating my automated sequence. I worked through a couple of rookie mistakes and then made a few more adjustments to my program to get the motion just right. In total, the programming took about 6 minutes. Here's the final automated sequence. Do you have old motion fixtures or machines, whether pneumatic or motor controlled, that you'd like to make much easier to program? Try retrofitting them with Easy Motion. Its no-code drag-and-drop visual programming language makes controlling sophisticated automated motion at a minimum 10 times faster. Easy Motion, the fastest, easiest way you've ever seen to create pneumatic and motor-driven motion.